Ready to transform your React app into something truly special while you're an installable, engaging, and offline capable experience your users will love. We're diving deep into building a progressive web app with React, and it's simpler than you think. First, we'll tackle the core of PWA functionality, the service worker. Think of it as your app's offline brain, enabling features like caching and push notifications for an always-on experience, even without an internet connection. Next up is the manifest file, a JSON file that acts as your app's identity card. This crucial file tells browsers how to display your PWA on users' home screens, including its name, icon, and start URL, making it feel like a native app. We'll ensure your PWA looks stunning on any device by implementing responsive design principles. This means adapting your layout and components seamlessly, whether your users are on a desktop, tablet, or mobile phone. From setting up your project to crucial configuration steps, this guide breaks down each phase. We'll walk you through creating the necessary files, understanding their roles, and integrating them into your existing React application. By the end, you'll have a PWA that's not only installable but also offers a faster, more reliable, and deeply engaging user experience, setting your React app apart from the crowd. Let's get building that next-level React PWA experience.